Hey guys, welcome back. So it is already Friday, 8 o'clock actually, and we only took one trade since the last trade that we took, and it was actually a news trade. So we're going to talk about that, go over it briefly. Today and yesterday was two crazy days, especially because of Wednesday news, and today we will see the real potential for a news type of day. So let's go over that really quick, and then of course next week we're going to have our Sunday analysis, go over what we have planned for the week, and then of course start the week at that point. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so now we're back on the computer. You can already see that there was a crazy move today from NAS just by looking at this candle right here. It was a interesting day. The news happened right around 8 o'clock, 8:30. It was average hourly earnings, no farm employment change, and unemployment rate. So with that automatically means it's going to be at least a 400, 500 pip move because it's three red folders in one day at one time frame. That alone should already tell you be careful when you're trading because you could be in a lot of drawdown instantaneously. So when I was taking this trade, I knew that I was risking basically the rest of the account, and I left it a 1-to-1, but for a 12,000 pip move in both directions, and it actually hit the exact target market that I was looking at. Maybe a little bit roughly, it probably was a little bit different, but excuse me. As you guys can see, it went up at first, a good amount. If I go into the 1 minute time frame, you'll see that it was just a wick. It wasn't even like it was candles. So that was the news right there. 8:30 on the dot, flew right up and then flew all the way down and stayed right here that entire time. When it got to this area, I took out some profit and then I just let it ride the rest of the time, and again took out more profit, and then I got my final profit here. It wasn't for anything crazy. It actually was only about $2 or $3, but we were able to catch a good news trade and bring the account and end the account on a profitable note, on a good note. So this is a good sign for the coming weeks. Major news are already out the door, so it's going to be regular volatility now and just sense of direction and trend following at this point. So next week we're going to go ahead, get into the trade a little bit more, and we're definitely going to be looking for news trades because, as you can see, this one right here played out perfectly, and this helped tremendously. I didn't have to wait 2-3 hours. I actually waited a minute and I was already in profit. So it was pretty helpful, and I'm glad I was able to catch this trade. And then for reference, guys, I have this indicator right over here, and this white box is a fair value gap. When I saw this forming from the previous day push up, which if I go to the hour time frame, you'll see right here, from Wednesday, when I saw this is when this formed. When I saw that forming, I knew it was going to be a sell day, no matter what. Even if news was going to be good, it was going to come right back down. You guys can go look at the video. I said it was going to happen no matter what. So at this point, this is what I'm going to pay attention to, this fair value gap for next week, just to begin with, because it didn't even fill it halfway. So I still believe there's potential for it to continue and completely fill it and possibly continue going down. So that's what we have planned for next week. Again, we'll go in depth a little bit more on Sunday, and we'll definitely have a little bit more analysis towards what we'll be taking. So stay tuned for that. And I apologize, guys, that I was not being as on top of trading this week. I really didn't want to take any risky trades. I wanted to either take a really big trade, which I tried to today, but as you can see, it didn't really do as much. If I show you guys really quick, just gold, for example, gold had a 500 or more move. As you guys can see, it was, oh no, it had 1,000 pip move today. So if this would have happened and we would have been on the live account, or if I would have taken the trade on gold instead of NAS, then we would have been in a good amount of profit, maybe even 20-30 bucks at this point. But can't be greedy, can't, think about the past. So it's behind us, it's fine. It's good to know about this, to look out for these specific news, especially when they're all together, that it's going to be a very big move, especially if it's negative or if it's positive. It's going to go in that direction and continue to go in that direction. So again, guys, I will talk to you guys on Sunday, and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Hey guys, welcome back. So thought I'd change it up, put the camera in a different place, and now we're going to go ahead and hop on the computer and prepare for the week. I already have some trades planned out and actually one of them, or not one of them, but actually one of my entry models is forming right now, but we're not taking it on a Sunday. So we're going to go ahead and just prepare for the week and see what we got. And then at that point, I'll update you guys during the week. I'll definitely post this video and then hopefully get another video out Wednesday or Thursday updating you guys how we're doing. So let's hop on the computer and see what happens. Alright guys, so now that we're back looking at the charts, this is going to be NASDAQ. And this is what I was saying. I already see one of my entry models forming right here. And I would just need the next candle to create a wick and taking over this, and then I would target the highs. So I'm not going to take this because it's Sunday, but I'll definitely see if it plays out just to see what happens. What I am looking for in the week is going to be a push to the point of control, and I'm going to either be looking for a sell opportunity. If not, wait till it breaks it and retest, and then look for another buy opportunity to the value area high. And then for NAS 30, it actually stayed in that consolidation zone from the previous week, as you guys can see. So I'm definitely going to be paying attention to this earlier previous week Sunday open, because if it gets to this and starts giving me rejections, I'm definitely going to be taking a sell opportunity if that's Monday, Tuesday, and holding it for the rest of the week, because it's probably going to come back all the way. As you can see, it already came down, and then the last week it came all the way back up. So this week I'm assuming it's going to make its big move. But if it does break through the Sunday open, then I'm going to go ahead and look for that next rejection so I can get that buy opportunity to the upside. So that's what I got planned for the week so far. It's nothing crazy. I just wanted to get on here to briefly go over what I have planned already. It's more or less just going to be waiting for things to happen. Actually, if we go back and we just look at news real quick for the week, we have nothing today. Of course, it's Sunday. We have nothing Monday, and our first major news event is going to be on Wednesday, which is going to be core PP or core CPI. This one is going to be a big move for sure, just because it's core CPI. So I'm definitely going to be paying attention on Wednesday during 8:30 open up. And if I can, I might take an opportunity, but no promises and no guarantees either. So that's again what I have planned for the week. So I'll catch you guys hopefully tomorrow, if not maybe tonight if I catch a trade during the Asian session time. So let's do that and enjoy the rest of your day.